To enable two-factor authentication on Facebook, go to your Facebook app. Click on menu icon on upper right corner. Scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Click on Account Center. Click on Password and Security. Select your profile. Now go back again. Select Password and Security. Here you will find two-factor authentication. Click on two-factor authentication. Now select your profile and then type your password. Click on Continue. Check your email and collect security code. Type the code here and click on Continue. Scroll down, add a backup method. I am selecting SMS or WhatsApp. Add your mobile number here and click on Next. You will get a phone call for security code. Collect the code and paste here. Then click on Next and done. Two-factor authentication is turned on. Try to log in Facebook with another device. Go to mobile and check notification. Click on the notification. Now click on Yes, it's me. And click on Allow and then click on Finish and successfully log into Facebook on another device. And two-factor authentication is working properly.